Hello friends, how are you all of you? I am Sheikh Muzaffar and I welcome you all in this today's beautiful session which is determination of integrating factor for non-exactness. I will be quickly moving into this session. Just stick with me for the entire session. Let's write determination of integrating factor determination of integrating factor for non-exactness I have already discussed what is exact differential equation and what is non-exact differential equation. All of you know what is the standard form of the exact differential equation. All of you know mdx plus ndy equals to 0. So is said to be exact. So for exact के लिए क्या कंडीशन है? एग्जैक्ट के लिए कंडीशन है del m by del y equals to del n by del x. And for non-exact del m by del y not equals to del n by del x. Then in this case we have to calculate for exact non-exactness, then we have to calculate the integrating factor. So there are different methods for finding integrating factor. So first case, can I write? So in first case, so can I write if mx plus ny not equals to 0 and mdx plus ndy equals to 0, mdx plus ndy equals to 0 is a homogeneous equation, is a homogeneous equation, then integrating factor equals to 1 divided by mx plus of ny. So I will discuss one problem which is based on this case. Then it is clear. What I have written? Here I have written mx plus ny. Whatever the homogeneous equation is given, mdx plus ndy equals to 0. So first of all, whatever the equation is given, we have to find what is m, what is n. Then you must get the homogeneous equation. Then you have to check it. Mx, m into x plus n into y. It becomes not equals to 0. Then directly you can write integrating factor. It becomes this part. What do you mean by integrating factor? A factor by multiply which a non-exact equation reduces to the exact form. So here in this case, so can I write, if I take one example, then it is clear. Solve x square y minus of 2x y square whole into dx plus of 3x square y minus of x cube whole into dy equals to 0. So can you write which is of the form? So can I write what is the solution in this case? So can I write mdx plus which is of the form? Can I write mdx plus ndy equals to 0. So first of all check it. What is m? If you compare these two equations, so we can write m equals to, so we can write m equals to x square y minus of 2x y square, and n equals to, can I write n equals to 3x square y minus of x cube. So taking partial derivative with respect to y, so can I write del m by del y? Whenever you have to take the partial derivative with respect to y, x is constant. So here x is constant, so can I write x square into del y of y, so it becomes 1 minus of x is constant, del y of y square, that means 2y. So finally you can write x square minus of 4xy. But in this case, if you take the partial derivative with respect to x, so del n by del x, so it becomes, so here y is constant, so 3y into del x of x square, that means 2x, minus of del x of x cube, that means 3x square. So here you can write 6xy minus of 3x square. So here all of you verify it. So can you say del m by del y not equals to del n by del x? So this condition, so can you say this is non-exact? Non-exact. Here I have written non-exact. In this case del m by del y not equals to del n by del x. Then you have to find the integrating factor. So before finding integrating factor, first we have to calculate mx plus ny. Therefore mx plus ny, so can I write what is m into x? M becomes this part, here I have written m becomes this part, so m becomes this part into x, so x into x square y, so can you write x cube y minus of x into this part 2x square y square, so mx plus of ny, n into y, so n becomes this part, so can I write n becomes this part, n into y, so can I write 3x square, so n into y, so it becomes y square minus of x cube y. Can I write this line? Then if you simplify this part, x cube y cancelled, so finally minus 2x square y square, 3x square y square, so finally we will get x square y square. So this part how much? Not equals to 0. Therefore integrating factor becomes 1 divided by mx plus ny, so that's why can I write x square, 1 divided by x square into y square. So multiplying integrating factor in 1, so multiplying integrating factor in 1, we get exact. Therefore, so can I write, so multiplying integrating factor, so it becomes 1 by x square by y square, 1 by x square into y square, x square y square whole into, so here this part can I write x square y minus of 2x y square into dx plus of 3x square y minus of x cube whole into dy equals to 0. So can I multiply this 1 by x square y square, can I multiply? So it becomes how much? So it becomes 1 by y minus of, here in this case x square y square, that means y square cancelled, minus 2 by x, so whole into dx plus of integration of, so here this part becomes 1 by x square y square, x square cancelled, so 1 by y, so here in this case 1 by y minus of, so on x cube, so can I write minus of x by y square, minus of x by y square dy minus of x by y square dy equals to 0. So here 1 by x square y square into this part, so it becomes 1 by y, x square y minus 2x y square, 3x square y minus x cube. So then it becomes x square y square, that means y square cancelled, so 1 by x. Okay. Then 3x square y into this part, x square cancelled, 1 by y. So here in this case 3 divided by y minus of x cube, so minus x by y square, then which is exact, so taking integration both sides. So what is the solution? Therefore required general solution is so here this part becomes exact, if it is exact, how to find the solution? I have already discussed in previous class. If you get the exact differential equation, how to find the general solution? Integration of m dx, where y is constant. Whenever you have to take the integration with respect to x, y is constant, plus of integration of n dy, terms of n not containing x, not containing x equals to some arbitrary constant or integrating constant or any constant c. So here m becomes, so here in this case m becomes this part, can I write this part, and n becomes, here it is this part, n becomes this part. So here y is constant, 1 by y is constant, so integration of dx, so it becomes x minus of, so here y becomes constant, so 2 into log of ddx of dx by x, so it becomes log of mod of x. So here in this case terms of n not containing x, so this part becomes terms of n not containing x, so it becomes, can I write, plus of 3 into log of dy by y, so it becomes log of mod of y. Here terms of this term contains x, so the value of the integration becomes 0, equals to some arbitrary constant. So finally we can write x by y minus of 2 into log of mod of x plus of 3 into log of mod of y equals to c. So this is the required general solution of the given differential equation. Then I will discuss the second case. And this is the first case. Here I have written what is the first case. If mx plus ny not equals to 0 and mdx plus ndy equals to 0 is a homogeneous equation, then integrating factor it becomes this part. Here I have used this. Whatever I have taken the problem, I have used this case. So I will discuss the next problem, the next case. So the second one, what is second one? If mx minus ny not equals to 0, if mx minus ny not equals to 0 and mdx plus ndy, if mdx plus ndy equals to 0, can be expressed in the form, f of xy, function of xy into y dx plus of g of xy into x dy equals to 0, then integrating factor equals to 1 divided by mx minus ny. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हूँ तब? If mx minus ny not equals to 0, if mx minus ny not equals to 0 and mdx plus ny equals to 0, can be expressed in this form. Function of xy into y dx plus of g of xy into x dy equals to 0. Then integrating factor it becomes this part. So if I take one example, then it is clear. So can I write solve? Write down the problem, solve. X square y square plus of xy plus of 1 whole into y dx plus of x square y square minus of xy plus of 1 whole into x dy equals to 0. So here check it, which is of the form. So this equation, which is of the form m dx plus n dy equals to 0. Again we can say in this form, this is f of xy into y dx plus g of xy into x dy equals to 0. So here in this case you must get directly, so you can say what is the solution. So here in this case you directly will get, here in this case you must get del m by del y not equals to del m by del x. If you check it, you must get this part. So this is the non-exactness condition. So here this is non-exact. So here in this case, so we have to find the integrating factor. So mx minus ny. Therefore mx minus ny. Therefore you can write mx minus ny. It becomes. So can I write m into x? So can I write, suppose this part becomes m, this part becomes m. So m into x. So can I write xy into this term? So x square y square plus of xy plus of 1 whole into x into y. So can I write xy minus of, this is mx minus of ny, n becomes this part, So can I write x square y square minus xy plus 1 whole into, so here n into y, so that part become n into y, so it becomes xy. Can I write? Then finally we will get, so taking common xy from the two terms, so can I write x square y square plus of xy plus of 1 minus of x square y square plus of xy minus of 1. So here x square y square cancel, plus xy 1 cancel. So finally we will get xy into, here it is xy. So it becomes 2xy. So finally we can write 2 into x square y square. This part not equals to 0. So integrating factor becomes this part. So therefore integrating factor equals to 1 by mx minus ny. So can I write 1 divided by 2 into x square y square. So this is the integrating factor. So how to find the solution? So multiplying integrating factor. So to do the numbering, suppose this part becomes 1, multiplying integrating factor in 1 we get exact. So can I multiply 1 by 2 x square y square whole into, so can I write this part? So this is m, so can I multiply here x square y cube plus of x y square plus of y whole into dx plus of, so here in this case can I write x cube y square minus of x square y plus of x whole into dy. So can I write equals to 0. So here after multiplying integrating factor we have to multiply in 1. Here I have written, do the numbering, this is 1. So you must get this part, so it becomes exact. So multiplying 1 by 2 x square y square, that means how much? So can I write x square y cube. So can I write y by 2 plus of, so this part it becomes x square y square, that means So can I write y square cancelled? 1 by 2x plus of y. So can I write 1 divided by 2x square, 1 divided by 2x square y, 1 divided by 2x square y whole into dx plus of integration plus of, so can I multiply 1 by 2x square y square, in this case x square y square, that means x by 2, that means can I write x by 2 minus of x square y cancelled, then finally y by 1 by 2y, 1 divided by 2y plus of x, so here in this case 1 by 2x y square, 1 by 2x y square, so whole into dy equals to 0. So the required general solution, therefore general solution is integration of mdx plus of integration of mdy equals to some arbitrary constant or integrating constant c. Here taking integration with respect to x, y is constant, and in this case terms of n not containing x, terms of n not containing x. So can I write, so here y is equal to what is m becomes this part. So check it here, whenever you have to take the integration with respect to x, y is constant, so y by 2 is constant, so y by 2 into integration of dx, so it becomes x plus of, here 1 by 2 is the constant, so 1 by 2 dx by x, so it becomes log of mod of x, then here it is this part, so here in this case y is constant, so plus of 1 by 2y into integration of dx by x square, that means what is the formula? All of you know this part, dd integration of x to the power n dx, that means x to the power n plus 1 whole divided by n plus 1. So here x to the power minus 2, if you write in numerator part, x to the power minus 2 plus 1, that means minus of 1 by x. So here this part, this is the mdx, and mdy plus of, so can I write terms of m not containing x? If this term contains x, then the value of the integration becomes 0. So we can write 0 minus of, this part becomes 1 by 2. So here terms of m not containing x, so integration of dy by y, so it becomes log of mod y, and this part terms of n containing x, so this term becomes 0 plus of 0 equals to integrating constant. So finally we will get xy by 2 plus of half into log of mod of x plus of 1 by, so minus of 1 by 2xy, so minus of half of log of mod of y equals to some arbitrary constant or integrating constant. So this is the required general solution of the given differential equation. I hope you enjoyed the session and like the tricks that I have shared in this video. So don't forget to share among your friends, and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button, and write whatever you need in the comment section, because if you do that, I will keep on working hard for all of you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.